You're listening to an African Elements top news story for July 7th, 2025. Please visit our website at africanelements.org for more daily news. When DEI Rollbacks Cost Billions, by Darius Spearman. Another day brings another company facing consequences for turning its back on diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives. The latest company in the spotlight is the Home Depot. The Home Depot stated that its business success has been driven by core values, including respect for all people. They claim to have a culture that welcomes everyone. However, it appears Home Depot has rebranded its DEI program to We Are THD. A review of their website shows very little in terms of DEI commitments. The only public statistic is that 58% of new hires were ethnically diverse. DEI initiatives in corporate settings aim to create workplaces where individuals from all backgrounds feel valued and respected. These programs ensure equal opportunities for success. They involve diversifying hiring pipelines and fostering inclusive company cultures. DEI also ensures equitable access to resources and advancement. Costco's commitment to DEI is seen as a winning business strategy, benefiting both people and profits. Some companies like Target and Amazon have scaled back or shuttered DEI programs in response to political pressure. Target, a prominent retailer, faced significant backlash and a boycott after rolling back its DEI initiatives. The company was a leading advocate for DEI after George Floyd's death in Minneapolis in 2020. Its decision to end DEI programs sparked boycott movements led by Black and Latin organizers. The daughters of one of Target's co-founders called the actions a betrayal. Target's Racial Equity Action and Change program was a 3-year initiative. It addressed racial disparities and increased opportunities for underrepresented groups. Its termination signifies a retreat from actionable commitments towards racial equity. In January 2025, Target announced the planned conclusion of its REACH initiative. Critics argue that this conclusion masks a deeper retreat from DEI commitments. Target also restructured its supplier diversity program into supplier engagement. Supplier diversity programs aim to include businesses owned by minorities, women, veterans, and LGBTQ individuals in supply chains. These programs are crucial for fostering economic growth within underrepresented communities. They also provide opportunities for diverse suppliers who might otherwise face barriers to entry. The boycott against Target appears to be impacting its sales and foot traffic. Target reported a drop in quarterly sales after rolling back DEI efforts. Online protests led to an 11% decrease in foot traffic. Some shoppers have switched to other brands like Costco, which has maintained its DEI principles. Hispanic and Black households cut back visits at the highest rates amid boycott calls. The backlash included a nationwide economic blackout on February 28th. Target lost approximately $12.4 billion in market value by February 2025. The company saw a 3.1% year-over-year drop in first-quarter revenue. These financial repercussions reflect investor uncertainty and public backlash. Companies that maintain DEI initiatives generally see positive outcomes or avoid negative consequences. Costco has won praise for honoring its DEI principles and has seen sales grow. A recent poll revealed that companies maintaining DEI have better reputations among consumers. Apple announced that its shareholders voted to keep its DEI programs. Costco's steadfast commitment positions it as a leader in both inclusion and business success. This divergence in strategy appears to be impacting market dynamics and consumer loyalty. DEI rollbacks can undermine credibility and lead to significant financial losses. They also risk harming minority-owned businesses that benefited from supplier diversity programs. Target's rollback is one of the largest corporate DEI reversals in recent history. It serves as a cautionary tale for companies considering similar actions. The contrast between Target and Costco highlights that prioritizing DEI is both a moral and a winning business strategy. The lessons from these rollbacks suggest that abandoning DEI commitments can have far-reaching economic and social consequences. Copyright African Elements.